people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching this video and for joining me today. If you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please just pause this video, subscribe and come back to watching it because you don't want to miss anything. In today's video, this is a topic that I know many of us know, but we just don't think about it too much, and these are the things that we need to be careful of because we talk about health, we talk about skincare all the time, but what about the preventive measures? So this video is just basically talking about the things that you have in your home which you must replace every time. If after watching this video you remember any points, please just toss it down in the comment section below because I also want to learn. The first thing is your toothbrush. When last did you change your toothbrush? Dentists recommend changing your toothbrush at least after 3 months. There was a time I used the toothbrush for about 1 year. Yes, I'm not perfect, but well, I used it for 1 year. It was so expensive, and to me the bristles were still fine, but they recommend changing it after 3 months, basically because of bacteria. And to you it looks fine, but inwardly it might not be fine. So to take care of your pearly whites, just try to change your toothbrush at least every 3 months. You can drag it a little bit, but we suggest after 3 months. So please make sure you change your toothbrush every time. If you've used it for 2-3 years, please, it needs to be out of the window ASAP. The second thing is makeup. Yes, this is why I wanted to do this video. Since I had some very nasty zits on my face and I broke out on my lips, on my face basically, since then I've been very careful about my makeup. I'm not an encyclopedia and I don't know the makeup lifeline like off my head, but I know that like powders, you change them frequently. Foundations have like 1 year, 6 months for you to change it if you've not changed it. Your lip glosses, everything has a lifeline. Please read up about it or check on the case of your makeup to find out when you're supposed to toss it out, or just look at it inwardly yourself. Sometimes you might not even go by the books, but some of us have had makeup for like 6 years. I know someone that she was like, oh, I don't use this powder frequently, but you're going to be adding more bacteria to your face because each time you take that powder puff or the puff you broke up in the sweat, you use it on your face, you transfer it, and just transferring bacteria from like there to there. So if you've not used it for a long time, please just toss it out. If you know you're not going to be using makeup, don't buy it in the first place, because many of us will be like, oh, I bought it a long time ago and I just want to part with it because I've not used it for a very long time. Then don't buy it. The next thing is our makeup brushes. Just like makeup, definitely. Once the bristles start falling out, or you just know in your mind that you've used it for a long time, sister, please throw it away. You don't need to keep it for too long. The fourth thing is your razors. I'm talking about those that shave. I try not to shave as much as possible because sometimes it gives infections and all that, but this is totally okay for those that shave. If you must shave, try to change the razor as much as you can. Then don't use the same razor that you use for your legs, for your lady parts. Don't use the same razor that you use for your lady parts. Try to switch them up, okay? Then even if you use a razor like for the first, second, third time, it's time to throw it away. Don't keep it until when it's very blunt. Trust me, you get more cuts from a blunt razor than from a very new razor. It's new, it might glide on smoothly, but the blunt one, you're trying to like do this, it might hurt you more than the new razor, so just throw it out. The fifth thing is our pillows. We sweat a lot, our hair lays on the pillows. Try not to keep a pillow for more than 2 years at the most. By that time, most of the cotton is already down, because with that, you're just going to be breathing germs all the way through, because most times you sweat at night, so try not to keep your pillows for too long. The sixth thing is your kitchen sponge. I know many people will be like, a kitchen sponge, but yes, the maximum time that we are allowed to keep our kitchen sponge, I just learned this too. I'm not going to play like, I'm not going to pretend like I see if I can change my kitchen sponge every time. It's a week. Hello? Sometimes some of us have kept kitchen sponges for up to a year, more than a year, but try not to keep it for too long. If it's possible, have a separate sponge for your cups, have a separate sponge for your plates because of the kind of oils and all those things that go on them. Then have a separate sponge. Definitely, if you have babies, you don't want to use the same sponge or the same brush that you use for their utensils as well as for the rest of the household. But a week is what we are allowed to go for our kitchen sponge. I'm just trying to tell you what you should do, so you know better, right? So just try to change it ASAP. Even if you can't do a week, because it breeds bacteria if you keep it for more than a week, at least don't keep it for a month, 6 months, or 1 year. And the seventh and the last thing is our cutting boards, our chopping boards. You'll be wondering why, right? But if you notice, your cutting boards sometimes, because of the way it gets hacked into, it's already having like residue in them, and it's breeding the bacteria salmonella. And sometimes food poisoning and all those kind of things come, you start wondering, oh, what did I eat that was bad? What did I eat that was bad? You practically did not eat anything that was bad. It might just be the utensils in your kitchen. So the same way you have to toss away your kitchen sponge like this. I learned it and I was like, oh my goodness, I need to take cognizance of this. The same thing applies to your chopping boards and all that. You can easily clean a knife, you can easily clean a fork or something, but the chopping boards have stayed way too long. Some people have chopping boards that have like stood the test of time. You need to toss it out, basically, just because of food poisoning and everything that's associated with food poisoning. So these are the top 7 things that you must guide your way through. Just look inwardly, try to make some checks and some balances. You know the way it runs in your home, you know how you do your things, so just take these practical steps and try to change them ASAP, so that at least you have some preventive measures against the things that you necessarily go to the hospital for or you worry about. If I made any sense, please just do a huge thumbs up. Let me know what you think below. This list is not exhaustive. If you have any other thing you would like to add, please just put it down in the comment section below. I also want to learn more. I just learned some of those things and I started like putting them into practice, and I can say that I'm better for it. Kindly share this video to everybody that you know, to male, female, everybody needs to learn. We all need to learn from this. Share to all the young, everybody needs to learn. And if, like I said earlier on, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye, lovelies.